And we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here. Looks to be a green top pitch. Seamers should get some assistance. And the batsmen, well, they might get tested while the ball is new. Captain has won the toss and selected to field first. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. Decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Muscled, a magnificent shot for 4. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Good shot for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Well placed into the gap, possible too. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Oh, he's launched that one. That's huge. Smart batting. Batsman purposely picked the shorter side of the ground. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Good shot for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Finds the fielder, couldn't find that gap. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Turned away for a single. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. That ball deserved a boundary. It looks in good batting form. Good shot for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder.
Mind the windows, Tino.
No ball called. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was in the slot, lucky to get away with that free hit. Is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Pace bowler now into the attack. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Very good running between the wickets. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Lovely bowling and a good leave too. Very important to keep wickets in hand because in the death overs they'll have that security. Oh, he lost control of the ball completely. 5 wides. Bye signalled. Well placed into the gap, possible too. No ball called. Dazzling batting by this duo. The captain needs to come up with a plan to break this partnership. Get ready for the free hit now. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a 6. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good shot for a single. Last ball coming up. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. That's hit hard. That's hit for six. That's a great shot. He looks in good touch. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for four. That ball deserved a boundary. Looks in good batting form. Oh, that's beautifully done by the batsman. Exquisite timing. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. That ball deserved a boundary. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot for a single. Missed time should be taken, and it's... The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. He didn't get any timing on that one. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. That was fantastic piece of bowling. That's high in the air. That's an excellent throw. Catch it is the call and well taken by the fielder. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. Very well struck, nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. That struck beautifully, terrific shot that. It would be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good bowling. It beats him all ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for 4. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Good bowling, it beats them all ends up. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Excellent dive, superb reflect of the match. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a 2 if they run well. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. They're coming up. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total.